Is it better to publish with your phone or with your laptop? Well, I get these questions a lot, and a lot of people debate this over time. Some say publishing with phone is better and easier. Some say publishing with laptop is better and easier. And to be honest, it all depends on your preference because at the end, you can still get the same results or similar results. The difference will be in the quality you put out there, and most importantly, in the time and in the speed. Now, there are some people that do it faster with phone, and there's some people that do it faster with laptop. When it comes to book formatting, there's some people that do it faster with MS Word. There's some people that do it faster. That's for laptop. Some people that do it faster with Google Docs. That is for smartphone. Now, what I'll be doing in this video is giving you just a comparison of the both, so you make your own decision. Just in case you're still battling which one to go for, and at the end of the video, I'll give you my own personal take too. So once again, if you're new to this channel, then subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, and stay tuned for my next video. I do videos on KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing, and on publishing generally. And if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Now, what advantages do you have when you're publishing with your phone? Number one is convenience. Now, your phone is a smartphone, right? It's not as huge, it's not as big as your PC, so it's very portable. You can be publishing your book anywhere you are, in the bus, or if you're at home, even in your toilet, you can be using your phone. And it's not every place you can take your PC to, so phone has the advantage of number one, convenience. Now number two is the mobile apps. Now there are some apps you will need for your phone, and you agree with me that some apps are smarter than the web version. For instance, if you want to have your book design, your book cover design, and you choose to use the Canva app, for me the Canva app it's more smoother and easier for me to navigate compared to the website, which is www.canva.com. Now you can also access the website with your phone, but for PC you can only do that. You can only access Canva with the web version. But lately they introduced a desktop app, so but I've gone through the app myself, but I'll go for a phone app. So apps like that give you more, makes it more easier and convenient, because some apps are designed in a very, the UI and UX are very straightforward and very portable compared to the bulky options you see on the web version. So another example is easy photo capture. For instance, you want to take a screenshot, maybe you saw something, you want to screenshot it and include it in your book or stuff. You agree with me that that's very easy with phone. You can just screenshot easily with your phone. But with laptop, it's quite complex to do that. Not really complex, but it won't give you that easy capturing of your photos the way it is with your phone. Now you can also have you also have an advantage of direct upload. You can upload files directly from your phone storage and to your Amazon KDP account and stuff like that. You eliminate files that are not really necessary without having to do some transfers and all that also. It's just very portable with your phone. Now we have for the downside of a phone, we have the limited screen size. You all know that a PC has a bigger screen size, and if you're someone that prefer big screens, or someone that want to see everything you're doing well, someone like me, then you definitely want to go for a PC. And then it also has limited functionality. Now there are some things you can't really do with your phone. For instance, if you publish it on Amazon, you know they like a linkable table of contents. And the last time I checked, you can only do that with Google Docs. The last time I checked, you can do that with your MS Word app. Now, MS Word has an app, or the last time I checked, you can do that with your app. You can include a linkable table of content with MS Word. You can only do that with Google Docs. And whereas on a PC, you can do that easily and more conveniently. By the way, I have a video on book formatting with MS Word using your laptop, and you can check that description of this video. Now for the laptop, we have advantages of the full feature software, everything. You can barely see limitations on PC, unlike phones, unlike smartphones. Most times there are limitations on your smartphones, or when you switch to PC you get a full feature. So you have the advantage of full feature softwares. Of course, for software they have, of course, the big screen. You have the big screen. Then you have formatting easier. Personally, I prefer doing my formatting with MS Word compared to Google Docs. Maybe because I'm conversant with MS Word, but not just that, the screen is large, so I see everything I'm doing at once. It's not like Google Docs where the screen is small and you're trying to maximize everything and stuff. That's a personal thing, by the way. There are some people out there that will tell you they prefer book formatting with Google Docs on their phone compared to MS Word. It all depends on preference. Personally, when it comes to book formatting, I'll surely go for a PC. Then for the downside of a PC, we have that location restriction. I mentioned that earlier. It's not every place you can take your PC, and if you have a PC that the battery is not too strong, that's the downside, because if there is no electricity supply. That's if you're watching this video from Nigeria. I know some countries that don't have lights at the time. If a disadvantage of, if you have that lack of electricity supply, then definitely your phone would serve you better, because with phone you can also use your power bank, and it's just more convenient to talk more compared to a PC. And you also have yeah, you have the location restriction, then you have that size, it's too big, it's not portable and convenient like a PC. So here is my take. Amazon KDP, for me, it's summarized into book research, yeah, where you do your category research, then the gathering of content, and the book formatting, keyword research, book cover design, then the uploading. Now for me, for book research, I prefer the PC. Yeah, it's give me that big screen to see everything at one glance, instead of going to smartphone and changing it to desktop site and stuff like that. I just do my research, and most importantly, I use Rocket for my research. So Rocket only works on PC. So for book research and keyword research, I definitely go to PC. Then for gathering of content, yep, I'll go with phone there, because gathering of content, you can just open multiple tabs on your Chrome. Not like you can do it on PC, but sometimes if you gather content, you have to be very fast, and you just want to open multiple tabs at once and just be doing everything as fast as possible and stuff like that. And then I'll prefer the smartphone for that, because I'm more conversant with my browser on a smartphone compared to PC and stuff. So I'll go for gathering of content, and I'll go for PC. For book formatting, of course, I'll go with, sorry, for gathering of content, I'll go with my smartphone. For book formatting, of course, I'll go with a PC, yeah, MS Word. It makes it very much easier for me. Then for keyword research, PC once again. I use KDP Rocket, so it only works on PC. But if I was to use smartphone, if I was not using KDP Rocket, of course I'll still go for PC, because keyword research is something that's very technical. I'll definitely need a bigger screen. Maybe this is me being sentimental here, because I do most of my production with PC and I'm more familiar with it. But you can just do it with laptop, with the smartphone, if you're more familiar with smartphones. But for me, when it comes to keyword research, I'll stick with PC. Once again, this is my own personal take. Anything that works for you is fine. In the end, the aim is to publish, right? Then for book cover design, yep, I'll go to smartphone, because to be honest, I'm not conversant with Canva. I use Canva for my book design, for my book covers, and to be honest, I'm not familiar with the web version of Canva. It's just too tedious and bulky for me, so I prefer the app. So that makes me prefer smartphone for my book cover design. Then for uploading of book, yeah, you can do that with anything. You can do that with your PC, you can do that with your smartphone, but I prefer smartphone, since it's not too much bulky. It's not a lot of work. I already have my description ready, I have my keywords ready, I have everything ready. It's just to upload. So smartphone is I use smartphone for book cover design, sorry, for uploading of a book. So what do you think about this video? Let me know how you do your which one you prefer between the smartphone and the PC. Let me know in the comments of this video. Once again, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, and stay tuned for my next video. Lastly, here is a piece of advice. If you have both a PC and a laptop, if you have both a PC and a smartphone, then I'll advise you use one at the moment. You can do things like your book research, keyword research, and everything on your PC. But if you're uploading your book and you're operating your account on smartphone, then I'll advise you keep using the smartphone. Don't log in the account on your PC. The reason is because the moment you log in your account on PC, then it registers as a device. It means if your account is terminated eventually, then you can't use any of the device again, because you're already logged in on your phone, you're already logged in on your PC. And if you create any account on your PC again or your phone again, then Amazon is going to flag the account and terminate it for multiple accounts. So if you're using the smartphone currently for your account, then keep using your smartphone. You can do other things with your laptop, but when it comes to uploading, logging in and uploading, make sure you do it on your smartphone. Don't implicate your PC, so that if anything happens, you already have your PC and then you create your account. Or if you're operating two accounts, then it's cool. You can operate one on your PC and operate one on your smartphone. So that's it.